This award-winning small SUV is small on the outside but spacious on the inside. The Kamiq is full of surprises with Skoda's simply clever features, latest technology and 5-star safety, and a 7-year unlimited mileage warranty, and right now we have stock available for immediate delivery. Head into Hobart Skoda to test drive today. LMCT 3006.
Imagine a place where health and community meet, where every Tasmanian can find ways to get healthier. St Luke's Health has created this place, right here in the centre of Hobart. We'll host a range of exciting new events, inspiring workshops, and fun activities, and you're invited. And of course, it will be a customer care centre too. Join us as we work to make Tasmania the healthiest island on the planet.
To celebrate 70 years in solar, Solar Heart is giving you the chance to win a Tesla Model